Hello, this is Jammin Hyaku, and I'm here to make a small tutorial on how to use Flash, Macromedia Flash Professional 8. So this is just a really small tutorial, and you could probably relate this to other Flash players and stuff. I haven't used any of the other Flashes. I know it's kind of an old program now, but it works, and it's fairly cheap and stuff. And it's a pretty good program to make some animation and simple things. So you can see here is something else I was working on. So I'll create a new project here, and you're going to want to click Flash Document, and then so you have your first layer here, and it's really quite a simple thing. You can zoom in up here and go into about 200. That's what I usually use. And you can go over here, you have your basic tools, the oval tool, which you can use to make circles and stuff. Then you have rectangles, you have your pencil, you have your paintbrush. Sizes and stuff can be changed down here, as well as some different brush like styles actually. So you have all that stuff, and it actually smooths it out on Flash for you so that it looks quite nice. And you can go usually here and change the smoothness. I like to keep it on 100, but you can always change it to something else like that, and then it's not quite as smooth there. So I like to keep it maxed out, which is 100, so yeah. So I'll show you a quick, really easy kind of animation to do, like a Stickman running or something. Oh, that's not very circular. There we go. You can use this tool to select things, like there. Click Control C to copy it, and then I'm going to go to my paintbrush. Create a little Stickman running here. Let's see, and then the only really hard part in this is figuring out where their arms would be. So the next thing, by default, to go to the next frame, you can see you have your little timeline here. You can make more layers over here and stuff as you want. Don't really need layers there though, so I'll just stick to number 1. So by default, the like hotkey to go to the next frame should be F6 and F7. Yeah, F6 is to make a next frame. You can see I just made one there. That has everything from the first frame is copied to the second frame. So you can make a bunch of those. And then F7 is to create a blank frame. So that's usually what you'll be using when making animation. So just remove these. Okay, so then I'll create a new frame, and another really useful thing to have on is the onion skin. It makes it so the previous frame is like kind of transparent behind it. So it's nice to see that. I'll paste my head here, move it a bit forward. That looks bad. This probably won't be very good, as I'm not the best at making these animations. Oops. Let's see. But this is basically just to help anyone else who would like to learn to use this program, and sometimes it can be a little confusing. And I'm a little rushed here, so I will try and keep it simple. So just really quickly, you can kind of see here, I'll set it to loop so you can watch it, and you can see that there's the little animation there. Although it's not the best, it's just a really short tutorial to show you, so I'll stop that. You can also go here and change the frames per second. This is how fast it'll play. You can put it up to 24 or something like that. 24 is usually what I use to make a more subtle thing, although it's not a very long animation, so it's not going to have the best effect there. But you can do that, and this shows how many frames there are. This is how long the time is, like how long the whole thing is, which is 1 second. And that's pretty much it. You can change colors, or you can go over here for a more like various amount of colors. Do pretty much anything you want there. You have all your tools. You can bring up windows and stuff. I like to have all the timelines and stuff open. I like how you can bring like all these little toolbars here up too. Quite helpful. So that's pretty much it, and that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to see more of Flash and stuff, you can tell me, or have any questions, I can try and answer them. And that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can add me on Skype or Steam, I guess. My Steam is Jammin Hyaku, and that's about it. Leave comments, suggestions, and anything else. Thanks for watching.